Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Let's start our seventh lesson. Lesson 7, subtract whole numbers. And let's see how can you subtract a whole number. And we will start with page 44, this page 44, and solve the exercises on this page. And let's remember together how we will subtract the answer or the numbers. Let's see this exercise, the first one. Look, he said that to subtract any number like this number 60,421, 40,831. You remember that we have to use the vertical strategy and order the numbers under each other. So if you subtract the numbers right here, you have to start with the lowest digit, which is the ones. So we will start from the ones. 1 minus 1. You remember 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 minus 3. You remember in subtraction, we used to use borrowing, right? When the number that I want to take it from the number here above it, it will be greater than it. Okay, so what I have to do here, 3 greater than 2, so I can't take 3 from 2. What I have to do, I have to borrow from where? From the digit after it. So I will borrow from the 4 here, so this 4 will be 3. Okay, this 4 will be 3. So after that I will take this one and put it next to the 2. It will be 12. Now, can I take 3 from 12? Yes, I can. So what I have to do, I will put 3 in my mind and count to 12. Count to 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after that, I have 9 on my fingers, so I have to put 9. Now, 3 minus 8. Can I take 8 from 3? No, I can't. So what I have to do also, I have to borrow from the digit after it or bigger than it, which is 6 here. So I will take 1 from this 6 and put it next to the 3. It will be 13. And the 6 will be 5. 13 minus 8. Can I take 8 from 13? Yes, I can. So I have to here to put 8 in my mind and count to 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 5 on my fingers, so I will write 5. Now 5 minus 4 equals 1, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So no need to write the 0 in the left side, and don't forget the comma. So this is the answer right here, 1590. If you add this answer to the smaller one or the smaller number like this, you will find the bigger one. Let's see if my answer is right or not. So you have to check right here your answer. So let's add the number, this is the answer, with the smaller number. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 9 plus 3 equals, put 9 in my mind and 3 on my fingers, it will be 12. So it will be 2 and 1 above the hundreds. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Now 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And I will put this one right here. So look, I have the same number right here. So I know my answer is correct. Okay? Let's start subtraction, and we will use the grid. It's already drawn in your book, so please order the numbers under each other according to the digits. Ones under the ones, tens under the tens, as we said. We will start from the ones. Now 0 minus 2. Can I take 2 from 0? No, I can't. So what I have to do, I have to borrow from where? From the 5. So this one will be what? Will be 4, and I will put the 1 next to the 10, next to the 0. It will be 10. Now can I take 2 from 10? Yes. Count from 2 to 10. after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 8 on my fingers. That means the answer will be 8. Now 4 minus 3 equals 1. 3 minus 8, I can't take 8 from 3. So what I have to do also here, I have to borrow from the 7. So this one will be 6, and I will put the one next to the 3, it will be 13. 13 minus 8, count from 8 to 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 5 on my fingers, so it will be 5. 6 minus 3, count from 3 to 6, it will be 3. 3 minus 4, so I can't take 4 from 3, so I have to borrow from the 6, it will be 5, and put this one next to the 3, it will be 13. Now 13 minus 4, count from 4 to 13. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 9 on my fingers, and get the 5 right here. So the answer is 593,518. Now let's see number 2. Let's find the answer right here, and you can also use estimation strategy to know if the estimate right here, to know if your answer is reasonable or not. So if you round those numbers, let's try with number 2, 3, and 4. If you round this number into the nearest 10,000, so the number before it I have 4 less than 5, so that means I will keep the same number and the other digits will be 0. And this one also, it will be 10,000. No. Oh. So this is number 2. Now I will estimate with you the answer for number 2, 3, and 4 only, and you can estimate the answers for the other exercises. Now if you estimate the answer, I will not estimate to the nearest 10,000s, because if I use this, it will give me a 0 answer, and it's not possible, I think. So here, right here, I will estimate into the nearest thousands. So before the thousands I have 6. 6 is greater than 5, so I have to add 1 to the thousands. Here it will be 5, and the other digits will be 0. And also right here to the thousands digit, so I will look at this one. This one also 5. That means I have to add 1 to the thousands, and the other digits will be 0. If you subtract those numbers, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 0, 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the answer will be near to 3,000. Okay? Now let's see. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals, count from 4 to 9, it will be 5. Now 5 minus 8, I can't take 8 from 5, so I have to borrow from the 6. It will be this one. Okay, this one will be 5, and the 5 will be 15. Okay, 15 minus 8, count from 8 to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 7 on my fingers, so it will be 7. 5 minus 5 equals 0, and put the comma. 4 minus 1 equals 3, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So look at the answer, 3,075. So it's close to this number. Let's see number 3. If you estimate the answers right here, if you estimate the numbers, let's estimate right here. Now if you estimate the numbers right here to the nearest 10,000, before 5 I have 6 right here. So it will be what? I have to add 1 to the 10,000s, it will be 6, and the other digits will be 0. What about this 37? I I have 3, and before 3 I have 7. 7 greater than 5. That means I have to add 1 to the 3. It will be 4, and the other digits will be 0. Now let's find the subtraction right here. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 7 minus 4 equals 2. And you will take this 4 and put it right here. So the answer will be near to 4,000 or 420,000. Now let's see. Now 2 minus 0 equals 2. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And don't forget the comma. 6 minus 7, I can take 7 from 6, so I have to borrow from the 5. It will be 4. And this is 6 will be 16. 16 minus 7, count from 7 to 16, it will be 9. And 4 minus 3 equals 1, and put this 4. Look at the answer. The answer is 490,112. So it's close to this number, so the answer is reasonable. Let's see number 4. And let's count, or let's find the estimation right here. So if you want to round this number into the nearest here, let's round the number into the nearest 100,000. So before 4 I have 0, 0, less than 5, so I will keep the 4 and the other digits will be 0. Okay, what about the 8? I have here 3 zeros. What about this one? I have before 1 I have 8. 8 is greater than 5, so I have to add 1 to the 1. It will be 2, and the other digits will be zeros. Let's find subtraction. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the answer will be close to 200,000. Let's see. 1 minus 2. Focus with me, please, right here. Okay? Okay. Now, 1 minus 2. Can I take 2 from 1? No. What I have to do, I have to borrow. The digit before it is 0. And I can't take from 0 anything. So what I have to do, I have to look at the digit before it again. It's also 0. Look at the digit before it, it's 7. Now I can take from 7. It will be 6. And this one will be what? Will be 10. Now can I take from the 10? Yes, I can. It will be 9. And this one will be 10 also. Can I take from the 10? Yes, of course, it will be 9. And now this one will be 11. 11 minus 2 equals, you can count from 2 to 11, it will be 9. Now 9 minus 5, count from 5 to 9, it will be 4. Now 9 minus 6, from 6 to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 3 on my fingers. I have 3 on my fingers. Don't forget the comma. 6 minus 4, count from 4 to 6. After 4, 5, 6. So I have 2. Now 0 minus 8, I can't take 8 from 0. I have to borrow from the 4. It will be 3. And this will be 10. 10 minus 8, it will be 2. And 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So look, the answer is 222,349. It's near to or close to this number. Now let's see number 5. Number 5, I will find the answer, and you can find the estimate to know if your answer is close or not. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 3 minus 8, I can't take it, so I have to borrow from the 1, from the 2. It will be 1, and put this 1 next to the 3. It will be 13. 13 minus 8 equals 8. Count from 8 to 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 5 on my fingers. It will be 5. Don't forget the comma. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 4 minus 6 I can't, so I have to borrow from the 9. It will be 8, and put 1 next to the 4. It will be 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. Count from 6 to 14. 8 minus 4 equals 4. So this is the answer. Let's see number 6. Number 6. Let's find the subtraction. 0 minus 9. I can't take 9 from 0, so what I have to do, I have to borrow. Before it I have 0 also, so borrow from the 3. It will be 2. And this one will be 10, so I can borrow from the 10. It will be 9, and this will be 10. Now 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 5, count from 5 to 9, it will be 4. Now 2 minus 6 I can't, so I have to borrow from the 8. It will be 7, and this will be 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Now 7 minus 8, I can't take 8 from 7, so I have to borrow from the 9. It will be 8, and this 7 will be 17. 17 minus 8, count from 8 to 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 9 on my fingers. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 7 minus 3, count from 3 to 7. It will be 4. Okay? Let's see number 7, the last one. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Very easy. Now 0 minus 9, I can't take 9 from 0, so I have to borrow. Before it I have also 0, so I have to borrow from the 3. It will be 2, and this one will be 10. Now I can borrow from the 10. It will be 9, and this one will be 10 also. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 5, count from 5 to 9, it will be 4. And 2 minus 1, it will be 1. You can find the estimation to know if your answers are right. And thank you.